In our new article, published in open access on the Journal of Science Communication, we share our recipe for making a podcast. We designed a podcast pathway to guide you through the different steps of making a podcast. And it looks a bit like a pancake. Yes, making a podcast can be easy and fun as baking a pancake.
It's like making a pancake.
First, for the podcast design, you need to think about all the ingredients: the title, the host, how many episodes, how many guests, your target audience. After which, there comes a point you have to do it. Bake those pancakes. Don't worry, the first pancake always sticks. Learn by doing and get it into the flow. And just like a podcast, you edit it to flavor. And finally, there is the distribution. You put your pancake on the table and display them in a nice way, adding maybe some honey or syrup. And like a pancake, podcast is a product that you consume individually, but that can also create a sense of community. So, don't forget to ask feedback to your audience. Did you like it?
Lekker!